Since the 1980s and the creation of emotional intelligence, the study of empathy has grown and continues to grow. Better research and technology have helped. That's only part of the story, though. A movement around empathy seems to exist too. People and experts have really focused on the forms empathy takes. For instance, it's one thing to know someone is happy and quite another to feel his happiness. It's like the difference between knowing dancing and actually dancing, or knowing baseball and actually playing it. The problem is that little exists on how empathy is in everyday life, how it comes into play at work. Here's now a working introduction to the 5 basic types of empathy defined in various studies. They are cognitive empathy, emotional empathy, motivational empathy, social empathy, and parochial empathy. Find out more about these. Go to my post, Everyday Working Guide to 5 Basic Types of Empathy.